darn thing?
Oh.
Come on, Russell, would you hurry it up?
I'm tired. My knee hurts.
Which knee?
My elbow hurts and I have to go to the bathroom.
I asked you about that 5 minutes ago.
Well, I didn't have to go then. I don't want to walk anymore. Can we stop?
Russell, if you don't hurry up, the tigers will eat you.
There's no tigers in South America. Zoology.
Ah, for the love of Pete. Go on into the bushes and do your business.
Okay, here, hold my stuff. I've always wanted to try this. Huh? Tracks? Snipe! Here, Snipe. Come on out, Snipe. Snipe. Huh. Ha! Gotcha! Don't be afraid, little Snipe. I am a wilderness explorer, so I'm a friend to all of nature. Want some more? Hi, boy. Don't eat it all. Come on out. Come on. Come on. Don't be afraid, little Snipe. Nice Snipe. Good little Snipe. Nice. Giant Snipe. I found the snipe!
Oh, did you?
Are they tall?
Oh, yes, they're very tall.
Do they have a lot of colors?
They do indeed.
Do they like chocolate?
Oh, yeah. Chocolate. Ah! What is that thing?
It's a snipe!
There's no such thing as a snipe.
But you said snipes eat your Whoa!
Go on, get out of here. Come on, go!
Whoa! Whoa!
Careful, Russell.
Hey, look, Mr. Fredrickson. It likes me. Whoa!
Russell.
No, stop. That tickles.
Get out of here. Come on, get.
Uh-oh. No. Kevin, it's okay. Mr. Fredrickson is nice.
Kevin?
Yeah, that's his name I just gave him.